Imagine this: you're at the vet and the bill is astronomical. You thought your pet insurance would cover everything, but suddenly you're confronted with a shocking reality. Choosing the wrong plan could plunge you into hidden financial chaos that threatens your wallet. Many pet owners overlook critical details in their insurance options, thinking fire's safe. When was the last time you truly examined whether your policy is protecting you? Let's dig deeper. You adopt a lovable rescue dog, excited for the future. But as you sign up for insurance, a nagging doubt creeps in. The fine print is overwhelming, and it's easy to miss the traps lurking there. What if I told you that some plans deny claims for pre-existing conditions? You might believe your insurance covers everything, but the truth is buried in complicated terms. A moment of negligence could cost you hundreds or even thousands later. Now, picture this: your furry friend suddenly falls ill. You rush to the vet, paperwork in hand, but when the bill arrives, you hear the dreaded words "not covered." Your heart sinks. You thought you did your homework, but the crucial details of your plan slipped through the cracks. This is where the danger lies. Many people don't realize they're stuck with policies that have restrictive networks or high deductibles. Those seemingly low monthly premiums can spiral into financial disaster if that vet visit leads to ongoing treatments. And here's a shocking truth: some policies cap payouts. You think you're covered for emergencies, but once you hit that limit, you're left to foot the bill. It's like walking a tightrope between comfort and financial ruin. Imagine being forced to choose between your pet's health and your savings. It's a heartbreaking dilemma. But here's the good news: with some research, you can avoid these pet insurance warning signs. Take the time to investigate before signing anything. Look for plans that clearly outline coverage for emergencies and chronic conditions. Don't hesitate to ask questions of them. As we conclude, remember this: your pet relies on you to make the best choices for their health. It's not just about selecting a plan, it's about protecting your furry family member without jeopardizing your finances. So before you hit that buy now button, reflect on what truly matters and be the informed pet owner your best friend deserves. Imagine you're at the vet, your pet's health is on the line, and suddenly you realize your insurance won't cover the treatment they desperately need. Many pet owners are caught off guard by this. They think they're fully covered, but they might be stepping into a trap. The hidden financial pitfalls of choosing the wrong pet insurance can leave you scrambling when it matters most. Let's take a closer look at the fine print. Did you know some policies exclude specific breeds, conditions, or even age groups? You might believe you have everything covered, but one overlooked clause can leave you vulnerable when your furry friend needs help. Picture this: your beloved dog starts limping, and you rush him to the vet. Your heart races, and then it hits you: your policy has a waiting period for orthopedic issues. That's right, you could end up. Now let's discuss deductibles. Some plans lure you in with low monthly payments, but they can hit you hard with high deductibles when you actually need coverage. It's a trap that might not reveal itself until it's too late. And what about pre-existing conditions? If your pet has a history of allergies, some insurers won't cover future treatments related to that. You could find yourself paying out of pocket for something you thought would be covered, which can be both frustrating and costly. But that's not all. Have you considered the annual limits on claims? Some companies impose caps on your reimbursement, leaving you to cover the rest. Imagine facing thousands in vet bills because your plan only covers a fraction of what you owe. The tension builds, right? You want to do the right thing for your pet, but the choices can feel overwhelming. It's like navigating a minefield where one wrong step could cost you dearly. So what can you do? Start by reading every word of your policy. Don't just skim, take the time to understand it fully. Ask questions and seek clarity on what each clause means. And don't hesitate to shop around. There are countless options available, and you deserve to find one that truly prioritizes your pet's best interests. As a pet owner, it's your responsibility to protect them. The choices you make today could either save you or leave you drowning in debt tomorrow. Before you finalize anything, think about your pet's future. Ensure they can receive the care they need without putting you in a financial crisis. Let that sink in for a moment. Your furry friend deserves the best, and so do you. So take action now. Don't fall victim to hidden pitfalls. It's time to make wise choices. Imagine getting a call from the vet that makes your heart sink. Your beloved pet needs surgery, and the cost. It could wipe out your savings. But here's the twist: you thought your pet insurance would cover it. What if I told you that not all pet insurance plans are created equal? Many people dive in believing they've made the right choice, only to find themselves in a tough spot. You might assume that any plan is a safe bet, but many policies come with hidden exclusions, waiting periods, and limits that can leave you in the lurch when you need help the most. It's like buying a concert ticket, only to discover it's for the wrong date. Consider this: you choose a plan that's heavily advertised as the best. You pay your premiums every month, but then in that critical moment, you find out in the fine print that your dog's breed is excluded from coverage for hip dysplasia. You never thought to check. Have you ever had that nagging feeling something wasn't right? Picture a friend whose dog suddenly falls ill. They rush to the vet only to face a bill they can't afford. Then they remember their insurance, but it doesn't cover that specific illness. The disappointment and frustration, it's a sinking feeling. Now let's dig a little deeper. Many pet owners overlook the importance of understanding deductibles and reimbursement percentages. You might think you are only responsible for a small deductible, but what about the percentage of the bill you'll never get back? That's where the real financial burden hides. And don't forget about pre-existing conditions. You might believe that switching plans will give you a fresh start, but many companies will label conditions you thought were minor as pre-existing. Suddenly, you're facing bills piling up again. As we get to the heart of this issue, picture yourself. Every moment counts. You want to act quickly, but your insurance plan can feel like a ticking time bomb filled with red tape and delays. So what's the solution? Start by reading the fine print like it's your favorite mystery novel. Understand every clause and possible exclusion.